I am turning on the Regrsi RE-NY060 Neckband. But when I try to connect it to my iPhone, the neckband device is not visible on my iPhone. If the neckband is not visible on the iPhone, let's see how to fix it. First, make sure that the neckband has enough charge. If the neckband does not have enough charge, charge it for 20 minutes. After charging the neckband, try connecting it to the iPhone. If the neckband still does not appear on the iPhone, make sure that the neckband is connected to another phone. If the neckband is connected to another phone, disconnect it from there. The neckband device is now visible on iPhone. You can now connect it. The neckband is now connected to the iPhone.